Listen to me. If I have someone who is in my life who helped me to get more happiness, I don't think I'm going to leave that person and go for someone who don't know more about my happiness. Just consider this. If it were be you and someone gives you more happiness in life, someone help you to get more happiness in life, do you think are you going to leave that person for another person who don't know anything about you? Just think about this.
Mema Wakwaba, welcome to Emotion Channel, enhancing your personal development.
Okay, so many people also have this kind of perception when it comes to relationship, marriage, and this kind of stuff. I'm living. Most of the times it happens in marriage. But before you go to videos, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, put me notification post, like it, comment, also share. Let me know your thoughts, your views, and your understanding about what I'm going to discuss with you. Okay, so let's go to the video. So today's video is all about I'm leaving you. I don't like her again. I don't like him again. I don't feel like living with this person. I don't feel like having a relationship partner with this person. I don't know, it's crazy. Sometimes it gives a lot of heart attack and those kind of stuff. But let me discuss with you. You have this kind of futures in you, and your partner is leaving you, and then your partner is making a mistake. Now listen to me. If you have this kind of features within you, and your partner is going away, your partner is making a mistake. Now, many times we go into relationship all because of we know that relationship is all about sex. Relationship is all about going out, having a date. Relationship is all about buying you a gift, buying a car, and this kind of stuff. I don't think it's all about that. Yeah, it's part of a relationship, but what makes relationship being so sweet is this. Just sit down and listen to me. Before we continue, let me know your thoughts, your views, and your ideas under the comment section. Okay, so we are continuing. If you have this kind of things within you and your partner is leaving you, your partner is making a mistake, the first thing I'll talk about is how you help him or her when it comes to thinking. You know, many people like thinking, and 99.9% people lives in this earth like thinking. I think people who are on earth now, the whole earth, the population of the whole people who lives in earth is 7.2 billion, and 99.9% like thinking. Why are they thinking? Most of times nowadays, guys have this kind of perception we want to make in life. We want to make in life. Why do they think like we want to make in life? And they don't think in different way, but they always think we want to make in life. It means they need people to help them to think correctly, correct way. If you can help your guy to think correct way, I don't think the person is going to leave you. The second thing I'm going to talk about is when it comes to help in what way? What he or she is doing. When it comes to the way of helping that person is very important. Let's assume I'm a book writer and I want to write books. And I'm writing books, I've written a lot of books, and I have a lady in my life. She also loves me a lot and I love her. And this lady is giving me this different kind of ideas, different kind of vocabs, and this kind of stuff. And now I see the person to be like, I feel like going for a different person. When I go for the different person, that person is not giving me the same idea like how she is helping me for my work to improve. I don't think I can be with that person. That's the reason why you need to improve your skills when it comes to being in a relationship. The third thing I can talk about is How did you put happiness within your partner? Now, just listen to me. I'm a type of guy whom I think a lot. And all my thinking is all about my YouTube channel and my life itself, how I want to make in life. So, if you find me in a situation where I'm so sad, it means something is wrong within my YouTube channel or the way of getting more content to create every day. But listen to me. If I have someone who is in my life who helped me to get more happiness, I don't think I'm going to leave that person and go for someone who don't know more about my happiness. Just consider this. If it were be you and someone gives you more happiness in life, someone help you to get more happiness in life, do you think are you going to leave that person for another person who don't know anything about you? Just think about this. You know, many people, many men or women are like this. As soon as they decide to take a decision, sometimes they don't think about it. But if as soon as the decision is done taken and they are continuing their journey, that's when they go to realize their mistakes. So if someone realizes mistake, they will come back for you. Now, that doesn't mean that she or he goes, but it doesn't work out for him or her. That's why he is coming back for you. No, it doesn't work like that. The reason is that you are the right person, but she or he doesn't recognize it earlier. Get me well. She or he does not recognize it earlier. That is why he made a mistake to go for a different person. So if you try to help your partner in this way, I don't think she or he will leave you for different person. Make her happy, monetary matter. What are how do you help her, him or her in the style of thinking is very important. So your style of thinking will improve your guy or your lady when it comes to whatever she or he is doing. I hope you understand. So I think these are the things that you need to know. Let me know your thoughts and your view under the comment section. My name is Success Emotion is a channel, enhancing your personal development is the motto. Just be with us. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and put us on notification post. We have more for you. God bless you. We love. Till we meet again. Peace. Adieu. Bye.